One click from this to this. Looks like magic, right? But it's just a hidden Photoshop setting most people even don't know exists. Hey everyone, welcome back to Photoshop, and Photoshop's background removing tool is getting better and better, but with just one hidden tweak you can turn a messy complicated image into a clean professional cutout. And in this video I'm going to show you how to enable that secret setting and get a perfect result every single time. Let's take this image. It's a very complicated and it has a lot of details, a lot of layers. So if I use the remove background tool normally, let's see how it looks. Yeah, it's horrible. Lost details and not definitely what I want. So here is the trick. This is where the magic happens. Press Command and K to open the preference, then go to the image processing option and come into the select subject and remove background option. Select here cloud instead of device to get the better result. Now hit OK. And now come to the remove background option and just hit boom. Look at this. Let's put a background, solid color background here. Let's go with this type of color that matches with the skies, and look at the details. Look at the details. Even tiny details are preserved. With just one setting, you can get this type of perfect result every single time. And I hope you love this trick, and if you did, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.